Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you some changes that I have made to the foyer in the gigantic dollhouse. Many of you might remember it. When I first got this dollhouse, this was the first room that I did, and I added that balcony. That balcony did not come with the house. So what I did was I used a necklace box and I added those pieces of wood to it by gluing them. I also had this piece of metal that fits perfectly wall to wall. So I was able to connect those wood pieces to the metal piece, and I made myself a balcony. There's a little set of stairs there that leads to a hallway that connects the girls' room and the master bedroom. Underneath the balcony there is a door. That door was part of 4 doors that I got at the Goodwill store, and they were all connected by screws. I believe it was some type of picture frame. Then I also used 2 blocks of wood and I decorated them with a nice paper. I placed a little diamond on top. It's actually a drawer knob that looks like a diamond. So I placed one on each side of the door to give the entrance some charm. Then I used a cigar box, interior of a cigar box. Each of these slots holds a cigar, but I am using it as a bookshelf. Now the bookshelf consists of all these little pieces that I have here, all the decor pieces, and the books are just a piece of wood. I took a strip of a picture of books and I glued it to the piece of wood, and it looks like a whole bunch of books, which was perfect for this setting here. Then I have a table here with some liquor and the vase. I also have my chess table there, which didn't come with any chairs, but I already had these chairs, so these were perfect for that. And they even match with this piece here, which my hubby gave me as a gift. See, the red matches perfectly with those chairs. Then I have some more of those drawer knobs that I'm using as a vase with a rose in each one of them. I have this elephant here, which I bought for 50 cents at my favorite thrift store. And I also have some Egyptian pieces. I have another one on that end. They look like fireplaces. And I have this beautiful fancy telephone that I got at Hobby Lobby, I think it was, Hobby Lobby. Then this was from, I believe it was a flea market, this little frame here. The runner, where did I get the runner from? I can't remember where I got that runner, but it's just perfect. A little bit of red here and a little bit of red there. It all ties in. And that is it. That is it. This is the foyer of the gigantic dollhouse, which is right next to the living room that I converted into a dining room by adding a new table. The table is not really a table, it's a candle holder and it's ceramic, but I converted it into a dining room. Above the dining room is a master bedroom. So these are the rooms that I am sharing with you today. At another time I will share the rest of the rooms. So I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.